Now they're like, holy crap, there's a reason to use this guy or gal. There's something they offer that I can't get anywhere else. Now you've got something that actually is desirable by the prospect. Watch how quickly they become motivated when you give them an offer like that. You think they're not motivated? They're not motivated by what you're offering. What are you offering? That you can look for them? That you can show them houses? They can do that without you. Man, I think you'll agree there's nothing more uncomfortable than talking to somebody on the phone if you're uncomfortable yourself or if they appear to be outside of assertiveness. Here's what I mean by this. So I talk to a lot of real estate agents that are making lead calls. They're following up on leads, have no idea what to say. They don't know what to say at all. They're literally calling and saying, I'm just calling to follow up, wanted to find out if you guys bought a house yet. They have no idea what their offer is, no idea where they want the phone call to go, and no idea how to close for the appointment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and more importantly, what not to do, so you can get yourself some more appointments with qualified buyers and sellers. If you're not familiar with me, I'm Greg Luther, coach agents all around the country. You can find out more info on us at closingseverymonth.com. But anyway, back to our topic of how you get people on the phone to actually meet with you. I want you to think about this. So let's say let's take you out of your own environment for a minute so I can show you the better way to convert. Let's say, for instance, you join a real estate team with me. You come to work today. And I say, here's 3,000 leads that we've generated over the last 3 months. We generate about 1,000 a month. And I want you to start calling these leads. Just follow up with them, see if they're ready to buy a house, and see if you can schedule appointments with them. What would your offer be? What would you say that would be compelling to them? And then ultimately, what's going to happen in setting up the appointment? See, what most agents do is they call for their own needs. They're literally calling to set up an appointment. They're calling to ask questions like, here's how uncomfortable those conversations sound, because I've heard tons and tons of them. We get hundreds of recorded calls from real estate agents that are doing a bad job, and we have to make those little tweaks so that they can get better response. And here's ultimately what they usually sound like. Hey, this is Greg with ABC Realty, and you were on our website about 3 weeks ago. I just wanted to follow up with you guys. Are you still looking for a home? Okay, great. Do you have a realtor to help you with that? Okay, well, I can actually help you in finding homes. Would you like to have a little help, and I can run a search for you? What are you guys looking for in a home? And the whole time they're like, no, we can do it on our own. Like, we have the internet, dude. I don't need you, right? So it's uncomfortable for you because you know the offer sucks. It's uncomfortable for them because they're trying not to be rude, but they certainly don't want whatever it is you're offering. Like, what are you calling for? Because you can run a search and unlock the doors for them? Is that really why you're calling? Because you can represent them by running the search and unlocking the door and then negotiating the deal? You have to think about what that offer is, and that's why they appear to not be motivated, not serious. They'll tell you things like, we're just looking, we're not in a hurry, we're not moving for 2 years, I don't want to waste your time, I got a brother who's a realtor. They don't see any value in what it is that you're offering. So I want you to think about this question for a minute. I give you those leads, I give you 50 leads today, and I want you to call them. What is your offer that gives them a compelling reason to say, wow, how do you do that? What, can I meet with you? Can I get access to that? How can I get access to what it is that you're offering? What is that offer for you? If you don't have that answer, stop generating leads. The leads are not the problem. Zillow leads don't suck. Realtor.com leads don't suck. The leads you're getting from your broker don't suck. The offer sucks. You know why? Because people that are looking to buy or sell are leaving their private cell phone number and private email number knowing that salespeople are going to call them back. They're actively looking at 2:30 in the morning. They're not playing. They're not actively giving their information out because they don't want to buy. The problem is they don't want what you have to sell. What are you going to do? Show them homes? Then you'll put them on a list where your MLS will send them homes as often as they come available. Well, how's that phone call go? Hey, I just wanted to make sure you guys are getting the emails okay. Yeah, we're getting them. Okay, did you see anything you like? No, not really. Okay, well, maybe I can refine this. How uncomfortable is this for you and for them? Let's try a little different approach. What if you call your leads and you have a real offer? I don't know, let's throw it off the cuff here. I'm going to use the rectal extraction method and show you a really good approach that you can use. So it sounds a little bit like this. Hey, this is Greg. I wanted to check with you here. I see you guys have been looking at all the homes we've been emailing you, and I got to tell you the truth, the best homes never hit the open market. You guys are probably frustrated with the fact that you can't find the homes you're looking for. Yeah, listen, there's a lot of professional home buyers and people that are a little more savvy out there so they can get access to homes before they ever hit the MLS. So kind of a admission to you here is that the best deals never get assigned a yard. They'll never come up on Zillow. They'll never come up on Realtor.com. Frankly, you're stuck looking at all the overpriced, picked through properties that the pros have already seen and said no to. Let me ask you this. What if I could get you access to unlisted homes that matched exactly what your family's looking for? We actually have what's called a Dream Home Finder program, whereby our company will invest money to find properties that are unlisted in the neighborhood you want, the school district you want, the style of home you want. If you can describe exactly what it is that you're looking for, we can actually go out and find unlisted homes, several of them, that you can take a look at and there won't even be a sign in the yard. There's no link for me to email you. There's no sign in the yard. It will be you, the buyer, meeting with the actual seller, and it's an unlisted home. Is that something that would be of interest to maybe find that unique property you guys are looking for? Do you agree that's a better offer? Now they're like, holy crap, there's a reason to use this guy or gal. There's something they offer that I can't get anywhere else. Now you've got something that actually is desirable by the prospect. Watch how quickly they become motivated when you give them an offer like that. You think they're not motivated? They're not motivated by what you're offering. What are you offering? That you can look for them? That you can show them houses? They can do that without you. Okay? It's no different than when you go to the grocery store. Hey, we can help you carry your groceries out. No, I got it. No, it's no problem at all. We'll wheel your groceries. No, I've got it. When I go to the airport, as soon as I get out at curbside, there's the, what do they call the valet there? Skycap, right? Skycap's like, hey, we can check your bags right here. No, I got it. I'll go in there and stand in line because I'm not paying you $8 a bag, right? I know there's a service available. I just don't want what they have to offer. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Of course, my alarm's going off while we're talking here. Hopefully that makes sense to you in that you've got to have something that they can't do without. And that happens by giving something that they can't find without you. So start thinking about your offers that you're giving them. I can tell you right now, if I flew to your town today and you give me a bunch of leads that you say these leads are garbage, if I call them with an offer, they're meeting me tonight. They'll meet me at Starbucks at 8 p.m. tonight to gain access to what we have. What we have is a solution to the pain problem that they have. They keep looking at homes, can't find what they're looking for. Oh my gosh, there's one that just popped up. We called them and they said there's already 5 offers on it. If that's what frustrates them, why don't you offer the solution? That's what coaching's about. That's what learning how real estate works is really about. You don't need the next latest, greatest software or drip campaign or lead system or whatever. The leads don't suck. The offer sucks. If you fix what it is that you offer to the marketplace, you start selling a lot more houses. And I'm telling you right now, I don't care if you're in Boise, Idaho. If you flew me out there today, I don't even need to be out there. I got a phone right here. Give me the leads. Watch what happens when I call them and tell them what we can actually do for them. By the way, if they do meet you and they love your Dream Home Finder and you send out our magic postcard that says we have a buyer looking in your area, you don't have to list with us, our buyer literally wants to buy your house. If that happens, how much is your commission? Do you have the buyer or the seller? That's correct, you have both. Your buyers are now worth 6%, 7% because you're getting both sides of the transaction. So I want you to think about the offer that you have when you put it out there. The best asset you have right now is your list of unconverted leads, but it's no good if you call them and you go back to the, hi, I was just following up with you to see, have you guys found a home yet? Okay, I've been emailing you some homes. Have you seen any that looked of interest to you? Should we refine the search? What are you doing? Like, that's uncomfortable for you and for them. Have a better offer. Get yourself some appointments. Know where you want that call to go tonight, right? That I want to get that appointment. I know where I'm going to meet them. I know what I'm going to say. I know what the offer is when we get together. Know what that path looks like, and you'll blaze it in a much more precise fashion. So improve your offers. If there's anything I can do to help you, definitely let me know. You can learn more about Greg Luther Inner Circle. If you reach out to us, you can go to gregluthercoaching.com. You'll see some good stuff there. And on Wednesdays, I do a free training class that would be helpful for you. Closingseverymonth.com. Get a better offer. You're going to have a lot of appointments with motivated buyers that are like, yeah, tell me about that. That's what I want. That's exactly what we need. Yeah, we'll work with you. If you can find us unlisted home, that's what we want. But you got to know how to put it together. You got to know the details. That may cause more questions than answers, right? How do I get the postcard? How do I mail it? Well, doesn't that cost money? All of those questions, it's easily answered if you get coached on the right stuff to do. I'm Greg Luther. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Go out there and sell some houses. Reach out to me if there's anything I can do for you. Like this video if this is helpful for you, and check this out. Share it with a friend that could actually do a little bit better job with their own real estate business. If you think this would be helpful for others, share it with them as well. Just tag their info below, and I think they'll definitely thank you for getting their business in order as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.